Another episode of Leaf Lore for you folks, and today I want to talk about my favourite tree, yew. Poor Rush Hour Joke 3 aside, I'm talking about trees and shrubs in the genus Taxus, and specifically the one that I'm most familiar with, the common yew. These guys are one of only 3 native conifers to the UK, and like our friend the laurel, are a prime candidate for hedging. They're incredibly dense and provide fantastic shelter for all kinds of wildlife. And whilst its ecology is cool enough, these things are steeped in mythology. It's long been held as a symbol of longevity, death, and rebirth in Celtic pagan beliefs, and in pre-Roman Britain some of these super old trees were sites of ritual worship, with a famous example being the Fortingal yew. And when Christianity arrived in Britain, because of the religious significance to the local people, churches sprang up around these trees, and some of them are still there today, like our guy in Fortingal. There was also the belief that because yews were symbols of death and rebirth, that they could contain and purify the dead, and this is how they became poisonous, by absorbing the vapours of decaying bodies. The reality is they contain alkaloids called taxines which inhibit our bodily functions, but absorbing the power of the rotting is very Dark Souls, and it kind of sticks in my head a little bit better. But yeah, there's no final point or joke to this one. I guess this is just my love letter to you.